So here at Pettypool College, it's our mission to deliver exceptional education to learners within an inclusive environment to create exceptional opportunities for them as they go along their life. Our main aim is to get learners into employment and to increase their independence.
When I first came to Pettypool, there wasn't much here in terms of technology. We introduced some iPads to teachers and saw the benefit of that, and then we rolled that out to a group of students where they really thrived with the use of the iPads, and then fortunately enough we've gone one-to-one now for all devices across the site for learners. Apple are renowned for their updates, but also it being cost effective for us not having to replace the technology over time. That was one of the sort of key features of us moving to iPads.
There's multiple different use cases for the iPad. I use Word to, like, say, list up people who ordered personalised poem boxes, and I created a PowerPoint on there for English.
Using technology, especially for the course that I'm on, is really great. It gives me loads of open opportunities to learn for the future, to see what will happen going forward, really.
We're always trying to get technology into everything that we do, and especially making things accessible. We've got some learners that are distance learning, so they join via Teams, and they have their iPad at home and link with us through that, which keeps them involved in the group. And then with Pathways to Independence, it's quite different because it's a different cohort of learners, but their learning focus is more on developing their independence and their life skills. So we tend to use their iPads a lot for accessibility, so making them more independent, where some of them maybe can't type or search for things that way or record things that way. We use a lot of voice notes. So Lizzie has her own iPad which is her communication aid, so she uses Prolo to Go, which is a communication app. So she already used that before she came here, but she's developed her skills using that since she's come here in conjunction with the iPad. So she's got her college iPad and then her communication device. So that's been hugely beneficial for her. Thomas, using his iPad, he is a really passionate Apple user and he knows Apple really, really well, and he's really aware of the adjustments that he needs to make in order for it to be accessible. So he's got a visual impairment and he can change all the settings so that it's accessible to him. So he'll change the background so it's dark and the writing so it's light, and that enables him to be able to see everything much clearer.
Our relationship with JTRS has been great. They've been really supportive over the years. We have clear lines of communication. Someone's always at the end of the phone. If we need any technical support, it's there. But also the advice around using iPad and technology within a classroom enables us to bring to the forefront, if you like, our teaching and upskilling our teachers to where they need to be using this technology.
Technology plays a huge part of our curriculum here at Pettypool and across the wider organisation. It is so important for our learners, getting them ready for life outside of college, and helps them in the world of employment and for any future opportunities.
JTRS are always at the end of the phone. If I need anything, they're always there. If it's not the same day, it's always the next day, and I always follow up with it.